Hello students, let's read this question. Solve the problems. First problem is John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So let's start the solution. So let us say let the number of marbles John has be x. Therefore, the number of marbles Jivanti has be 45 minus x. Now, after losing after losing 5 marbles each, they left John. John's marble will be x minus 5 and Jivanti's marbles will be 45 minus x minus 5, which will be 40 minus x, and we have given that the product of their marbles is equals to 124. That means x minus 5 into 40 minus x should be equals to 124. So we can solve this. This will be x square minus 45x plus 324 equals to 0. As this is a quadratic equation, we can split the middle term as x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 equals to 0. Now we can take x common. Inside we get x minus 36 minus 9. Inside we get x minus 36 is equals to 0. So the factors will be x minus 36 and x minus 9 equals to 0. So from here we get the value of x as 36 and 9. Now, which means if we assume that John's marble is 36, then the Jivanti's marble will be, if John's marble will be 36, then Jivanti's marble will be 45 minus 36, which is equals to 9. Similarly, if we take that John's marble will be x equals to 9, then Jivanti's marble will be Jivanti's marble will be 45 minus 9, which is equals to 36. Now move on to the second question, which is a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minutes. The number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750 rupees. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. So let's start the solution. So first, let the number of toys produced in a day be X. Therefore, the cost of production of each day will automatically rupees 55 minus X. We have given that the total cost of production of the toys is equals to rupees 750. So as per this, we can write that X into 55 minus X will be equals to 750. Solving this, we get x square minus 55x plus 750 is equals to 0. As this is a quadratic equation, we can split the middle term as x square minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 equals to 0. We can take common x. Inside we get x minus 25. Here also we can take minus 30 common. Inside we get x minus 25 equals to 0. So the factors will be x minus 25 and x minus 30 equals to 0. Now from here we can take either x minus 25 equals to 0 or x minus 30 equals to 0. So if we take x minus 25 equals to 0, then x will be 25, and if we take x minus 30 equals to 0, then value of x will be 30. Hence we can say that the number of toys produced in a day will be either 25 or 30. So we have found out that how many marbles they had to start with for the first problem, and for second problem we have found out that the number of toys produced on that day. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.